Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys auto rotate screen how can be on, and guys how to use auto rotate screen in your Motorola phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So without waste time guys, open your phone setting to on your auto rotate, and guys scroll it, and guys you can see your display settings. So guys tap here, and guys click on this advanced setting, and again scroll, and guys you can see your auto rotate screen. So guys you will on from this right side. Then guys now let's see. So friends, suppose guys you are using your YouTube and guys you want to rotate your phone, so you can rotate, and guys you can see it will rotate. Then guys you can use your auto rotate screen in your Motorola phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate screen in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.